Okay guys, we're in the old fat white people section. There's M-Power, M3 M-Power. This is cool, I guess. Okay, we're in the BMW section. Where's the 1 Series, guys? Oh, okay. That's so ugly. Oh shit. That kid slammed that door. This is cool, I guess. It's a... So good.
Yeah, and it's 420. Yeah, exactly. That's cute, actually.
We're in the minis. Oh, that's the mini that we saw online.
Oh my god.
Junk. It's a mini. Okay.
So bad.
It's a fucking mini, dude.
Red top, hell JDM. This looks like shit, Randy. You like this?
Oh, compared to the other one.
Okay. Bullet design. Aerodynamic inside the cabin.
Dude, why not?
Dude, the outside? No, fuck that. Inside the car.
Oh, did you see the car?
The whole car just flexed. That is scary.
Yeah, it's because you're moving around half the weight right there.
I changed my mind.
Okay, fail. American fucking adult bridge car.
It's German now.
Yeah, it's German.
What did he say?
It's German now.
What did he say?
American flag on top of a British car. Like it's used to be.
Infinity.
The dials are turning visual.
Until they break. It's an auto. Infinity. Yeah, let's look at the Lambos. Holy crap. Holy shit. That is a Lamborghini. That is a Lamborghini. Oh, they're all floppy. Oh. I like the old Lambos where you can shift.
I like the drift pattern.
Yeah, that's sick.
So
That's my favorite. The grid. Oh.
I like crash.
It's too classy. Too classy. Lotus.
Which one is that? Which way is that one facing?
Wow.
Yeah, wait. Why did they put the wing on the front?
Porsche. Oh, so sexy.
Wait, why is the wing on the front? Wait, why is the wing on the front?
Ah, look at the sexy ass car. GTS. Oh, yes. Oh, oh my god. I might not.
What a waste of money.
Oh, car's so sexy.
I hope you weren't talking about the thing.
No, no. The car's okay. Oh, turbo. It's okay.
This right here. This is okay.
Wait, no, Reg, what about that?
Why is the wing on the front of the car? And these are his headlights right here.
Retarded.
What is wrong with you?
This is sick. Oh god, is that a Boxster? Oh.
You didn't cut it out.
Hyundai 3-door.
Shitty one.
It's the Hyundai 3-door, guys. Hyundai 3-door. Actually, it doesn't look bad, actually. I'm not gonna lie. It's different. The Veloster. It's kind of cool how it's 2 doors on one side, 1 door on the other. So it's like a coupe slash thing. Actually, I bet you this thing's kind of quick. Yeah, dude, this... Actually, not gonna lie, this thing's pretty cool.
Stupid door handle.